Cody?
Yeah?
Hey,
Yo.
did you do the dishes?
No.
You didn't even clean your room.
Nope.
Did you do anything at all?
No, I was playing a game.
See, I knew it was a bad investment. I'm gonna solve this problem right now.
Dad! Dad! No! Please! What the hell?
No, you asked for it.
Why you're such an asshole?
Oh yeah, this is
Dad!
I'm kind of wondering if this part of the game.
Dad!
Nope. Give it back.
No! Dad! No.
Yep.
No. No!